Hey, what's going on, guys? Osman here. So welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an autoresponder with email sequence or following up with your leads. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is to have your sequence ready. So as you can see, I've got my document, already have my email sequence ready from day one, day two, and everything. Okay. So this is the first email that I will be sending to my prospect. Okay. So we go back on Getresponse and we click on this button here where it says create, and we go on create autoresponder. Okay, so here it says Untitled Autoresponder. We're going to give this a name, so we're going to call it OLSP. Okay, and then the link list here is very important. So this is the list where all the emails is going to go through. So as we showed you previously, it's going to go on to the OLSP new leads autoresponder setting. So here it says as soon as they sign up. On day 0 means same time as they sign up. Okay, and leave everything on. From email, this is the email that you're going to receive the email from you from email address. This is my name and this is my email, and this is where it's going to reply. And subject line, this is very important. So this is how you want this is how they're going to see your email. Okay, design and content, that's not important. E-commerce tracking, not important. Tracking links with Google Analytics is not important. Okay, so here we're just going to click on, no, we need to put subject line. Okay, so just going to put subject line here, complete this training to earn your $20. So just copy that. Oops. Yep. And then click on save. Right, save. The next thing we need to do is to click on design and content. Okay, so this is the type of emails that you're going to be sending to your prospect. So you click on design message, and I personally like to use a blank template. So we're just going to see if there is a blank template here. Yeah, here you go, blank templates. Okay, and then use a blank template. The reason we're using a blank template because we don't want emails to be going to spam folder or promotional and all this. Okay, so we don't have a logo or anything. So this is how it's going to look like, and then you got the section, basic blocks and everything. So here we're going to put the text. Okay, so here we're going to have the text, and we're just going to copy our text, which is here. Okay, so the reason I said hey first name here is because sometimes when you're collecting leads, somebody enters their name and email as well. So that's why it's going to say hey first name, which will be their name. So here we don't have the first name. We're not collecting first name, only collecting emails. So I'm just going to copy this message here. I mean this email, right up to here. Copy. Go back to my autoresponder. Oops, gone too big. Highlight all, and then we're going to put this at 14. Okay, I personally like to use Verdana, and then 14 size is okay. Okay, and this is how our email is going to look like. So here they have a first name. Okay, so in this case, let's see if we can add this. Usually if I don't use first name, depends. Okay, so as we can see here on our TD pages, we're using only email, only collecting emails. So there's no point to put hey first name, whatever. Say hey my friend, right? This is Osman. You don't need to put that in red. The reason I put it in red is because you need to change with your name. Okay, I want to congratulate you. If we say going into your email, make sure first $20 online. First thing to do, we're giving some instruction here. Right, just going to make this nice. Right, bootcamp training. Just take laptop. Right, congratulations again for taking action. You can delete that. Really proud of you. One more thing, and here where it says click here to complete the bootcamp, you're going to highlight this and click on the symbol here, and here it says OLSP.com system, because the reason we're doing this, we want to send them back to the bootcamp. Okay, so this is what's going to happen. It's going to go back to the bootcamp. click on update, your new friend, and then just going to enter your name, right? And then you can actually go and click on preview message, and this is how it's going to look like on the desktop, which is nice and neat. All right, so on the mobile, it's going to look like, and then you can just compare it. So once you're happy with it, you can just click on next. Okay, and here we have it. Just to recap, autoresponder setting on day 0, as soon as they sign up from your email address, this is your name, subject line, design and content, you're good to go. You can send a test message as well. So let's send a test message to this email address, see how it looks like. Okay, it says test message sent. I'll just open my email and this is how it looks like. It says me, because that's myself. Okay. Hey my friend, this is Osman. All right, this is how the emails is looking like. It looks fine. Okay. The reason I'm saying here, be careful with this message, because I'm sending an email to myself, right? That's the reason saying this. So here we're going to click save and publish, and that's it, guys. You've created your first autoresponder, right? So here autoresponder is created. So now on Getresponse, what we're going to do, we're going to click on menu again and click on autoresponder. Excuse me. And this is where you're going to see your autoresponder. Yeah, it says here OLSP new leads, and status is on. Cycle day as soon as they opt in, and then amount of people is going to be delivered, everything here. So now if you want to create a series of message, you need to click on create autoresponder again, and then you will call this OLSP email 2, right? So that you know what email is sending, and then you're going to say, let's say you want to send this with a delay of, let's say, an hour, right? Or if you want to send this the next day. So if you're saying the next day, then you're going to put day 1 here, okay? But let's say you want to make sure you're sending the person a message after an hour or 2 hours, you can do that. And this is what I do. So I'll just say with a delay of an hour, right? On day 0 itself means as soon as I sign up, you're going to receive another email. And then subject line here, I'm going to say urgent, please open ASAP, right? This is my sequence here. And then design message, we're going to do the same thing, right? Because I already created a template earlier, okay? Existing message. I can just click on copy content. And now here, I can just copy what I want to send them, right? So just going to click on that, erase all this, right? Copy it, change this to Verdiner, and then here I'm going to select 14. Okay. Hey my friend, no channel email spell. Make sure you're on Bootcamp video 2. Make sure you're on the mentor. Your sponsor or mentor name is shown as. I'm going to put. Oops. To put my name, right? I'm not going to write the rest of the email. It says Osman Murabi, right? And here we're going to click on next, right? So delay of an hour, everything is fine. We don't need a tracking link with Google Analytics. We don't need that. Save and publish, and that's it. And if you want to create more email, this is how it's going to look like, right? So now we're just going to opt in and see if this is working, right? So we're just going to go on our TD pages and then open one of the TD pages. This is our link here, right? So we're going to open this here and then just enter email. Get instant access. Right. So here this is our name here, and then it's taking them to the growth hack. Okay, so it's working, right? Let's see if we're going to receive any email. So we are now in our autoresponder. It says OLSP here, delivered 1. And then we're just going to check our email if we receive email. So it says primary here, Osman, complete this training. Okay. Hey, my friend, this is Osman. I want to congratulate you. Okay. And they have to do this. Here's the email. Okay. So here's the emails open. And let's see if we can click on this. Okay. It's going to take us to our OLSP training. Okay. And now we want to check with the autoresponder if it's tracking the open rate and the click rate. Boom, here you go. OLSP delivered to 1, open rate 100%, click-through rate 100%. Means the person has opened it and it has also clicked on the link, right? So now will be email number 2, email number 3, and so on. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I will see you on the next. Take care. Bye for now.